So we were given a problem to solve, to put a remote weapon station on a vehicle and make it air transportable, make it vehicle agnostic, to be able to service any vehicle the Army has in their fleet. It has been built and we're testing as we speak.
I'm gonna go ahead and rotate it up.
A RAD, or Reconfigurable Air Defense, is different in that we are able to put this system on any vehicle in the Army's inventory. It can be reconfigured rapidly, so you can change from vehicle to vehicle, situation to situation.
Most of the time, the government ends up building a purpose-based vehicle. This is weapon and vehicle agnostic, which makes it very unique.
It started with warfighters. I mean, it was last year. We went to Fort Bragg and we got to, talk with real air defenders, sit down, big long table, and say, what's wrong right now? What are you experiencing? What can be fixed? What can be better? And that was actually our starting point.
The unique concept behind RAD is it's sled-based. It can be placed in different vehicles and completely modular with the weapon system, and as well as active and passive sensors.
The transportability of the RAD is a major gain in the ability to install a weapon station in a safe environment and be able to drop it down, put it on an air transport, immediately drop it off the air transport, and mount a weapon and be in the fight immediately.
Feed it through.
This benefits the warfighter because it gives the ability to place this capability on the ground, on a vehicle, in a base defense scenario.
The RAD program had its first test fire on this day. So this is day one, and it was a successful day. We fired the 30 millimeter from the ISV platform, the smaller vehicle, and it outperformed expectations.
When you think of the big munitions like that, you're thinking that's a company level munition, and now we can bring it down to the squad level.
Test has been going great team members out here, very accommodating, lots of moving parts, but the test is going wonderfully.
This is the first shell fired from the RAD platform, and I was given this, so this will be sitting in a place of honor on my shelf.
In terms of what's next, we're going to Germany and Lithuania in the spring. We're trying to get it in the hands of soldiers. We want feedback, because as soon as we get back, we're changing whatever needs to be changed, right? We're ready to pivot. We want to make the soldiers happy. We want to give them the system that they want, that they need.
There are fights all over the globe right now with UAS strikes happening everywhere all the time. The sooner we get this fielded, the sooner we save more soldiers. We are doing everything we can to give the best, most maintainable, sustainable, safe systems for our warfighters to do what they have to do to serve their country.